Okay, other chart options, okay, there are many other ways, okay, actually, to customize and organize your chart, okay. So, for example, Excel allows you to rearrange a chart's data, change the chart types, and even move the chart to a different location inside your workbook, okay. So to switch row and column data, okay, so sometimes, okay, you may want to change the way chart groups of your data, okay. So for example, in the chart here, we have a book sales data is grouped by the genre, okay, which columns for each month, okay, with columns for each month, okay, sorry. So however, we could switch the rows and columns so the chart will group the data by month, okay, with columns for each genre, okay. So in both cases, the charts contains the same data, it just organized differently, okay. So what we can do here, okay, you select the charts that you want to modify, okay, all right, and then from the design tab, okay, all right, select the switch row or columns command, okay. So you will see there is one button here, okay, and then if you click this button, okay, observe your chart, okay, the rows and columns will be switched, okay. So example here, okay, the data is now grouped by month with columns for each genre, okay. So all right, and then to change the chart type, okay, so example, okay, we go back to the previous one, okay. Okay, so this is the original that we have done before, okay. So if you find that your data is not well suited to a certain charts, okay, so actually it's easy to switch to a new chart type, okay. In our example here, we will try to change our chart, okay, from a column chart to a line chart example, okay. So what we can do here, same, okay, from the design tab, okay, click the change chart type command, okay, chart design, here change chart type command, okay. When you click, okay, you will see, okay, the chart types dialog box will appear, okay. So select a new chart type and layout, and then you click OK. So in our example here, as I said earlier, we will choose a line chart, okay. So here we try to choose line, okay, and then, okay, we choose this one, okay. So this is example, okay, and then the selected chart type, okay, the selected chart type will appear, okay. So in our example, the line charts make it easier to see, right, the trends in sales data over time, okay. All right, okay. So how we want to move a chart, okay. So whenever you insert a new chart, okay, it will appear as an object on the same worksheet that contains its source data. Alternatively, you can move the chart to a new worksheet to help keep your data organized, okay. So select the chart, same steps, select the charts that you want to move, all right, and then click the design tab, okay, and then select move chart, okay. This is a button, okay. So the move chart dialog box will appear, okay, and then you select the desired location for the chart. In our example here, we will choose to move it into new sheet, which will create a new worksheet, okay. So and then, okay, we choose new sheet, okay, all right, and then you click OK. Okay, so the chart will appear in a selected location. Okay, in our example here, the chart now appears on a new worksheet. Okay, you will see here there is one new worksheet here.